Hello and welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to be sharing a DIY key rack that is specially made by my husband, and we are selling on our website. The link is below if you want to buy this particular key rack. There's only one of them, but it might be available if no one purchased it yet, and there are several others to choose from. So please stop by the website and see what other key racks are available. And if you want to see how this one was made, then please keep watching. The first thing we're going to do is take a 1x4 board and cut it down to an appropriate size. Next, we're going to give this some character and use a router tool to bevel the edges of the board. And we'll sand it down to smooth everything out. Now we take the piece outside and spray it with this flat black paint by Rust-Oleum. And I didn't mention it before, but this is an Avengers key rack. So we printed out some pictures of the Avengers characters, and those are going to be laid out on the board. So we have Incredible Hulk, Spider-Man, Black Panther, Thor, the Avengers symbol right in the middle, Black Widow, Captain America, Iron Man, and Vision. And if you are an Avengers fan and you're interested in this key rack, the link is below where you can order it. There is only one in stock, so if you are the first one, it is yours. Just check out the website and all the details are there for how you can purchase this item. And feel free to look through the site. There are several other key racks to choose from. Now that all the glue has dried, we're measuring out where the hooks are going to go. This key rack is going to have 3 hooks, so we're just placing them evenly across the board. And now a very detailed step in the process is to add the glaze. That is the coating across the top of all the pictures that seals everything together and gives it a glossy finish. And now we're going to finish off the back by gluing on some construction paper and adding the ringlet hanging pieces.